Ready to transform your Aisensy marketing from basic to brilliant? Let's dive into creating clickable product images that sell. First, head to the Guides section within your Aisensy dashboard. It's your treasure map to unlocking awesome features. From here, start a new guide. You can either use a template or create a custom guide. For this, let's build from scratch. Now for the magic. Upload your beautifully crafted product image. Make sure it's high quality and visually appealing. Aisensy supports common image formats like JPEG and PNG. Next, use the link insertion tool. This is where you'll add the product page URL so that customers can buy directly. Precisely map the linkable area over the product in the image. This makes sure customers click on the correct item. Preview your image with the link. See how it looks. Does the link work? Make any needed adjustments. Save and publish your guide to receive a shareable link or embed code. Now you can use it on your preferred platform. Use the shareable link anywhere you want to showcase your products with a direct link to purchase. Watch the sales roll in.